Well, here we are down at Caldwell, Idaho again, down at the Indian Creek, this new thing that they put through, a river that we put through the town. It's always been here, but it was always covered up. So they have made it so that they can make it look pretty nice. The reason that they made it like this, there's ball down there. The reason they made it all fancy and stuff like this, they had a car wash, and that car wash had a, what do you call it, a sinkhole go through it, and washed the driveway of the car wash right in, or made a great big old hole in the middle of the driveway there. So they tore the car wash up, and they decided to make a renovation of the whole downtown Caldwell with this Indian Creek going through it. It goes down through underneath the road there, and then it comes up by the police station over there. See if we can walk over there. This is 5th and Arthur. Over there is the police department for Caldwell. Right there's the Caldwell Police Department. Now it comes underneath that 5th Avenue. Yeah, Caldwell Police Department sign right there. Comes up underneath that 5th Avenue, and then it comes up over here. There's some nice trees that are budding here. It's cold out here today. It's ain't that nice? They have the picnic tables all bolted down with the locks there at the police department. Now it's about 45 degrees out today. It's about April 20th, or no, yeah, 20th today, I think it is. It's the Caldwell Police Department there. I'm going to take you back over this way. Try not to get hit. Give you another shot of the Indian Creek here, and take you out with that again.